them boys from CarCaveUK. Come on, big up each and every time. Big it up, man. Come on, you see what we're doing out here.
Oh my god, bro.
You're mad.
Long time no see.
Lots of water. Here you go, love. Here you go, love.
Thank you for my friend. Thank you, friend.
H2O, make sure you're hydrated, lads.
I accidentally rolled down the window, yeah.
Is it wet on the inside?
After we washed it.
Excuse me, sir. Can
Sorry,
you
my
refrain
friend.
from doing that again, please?
Sorry, friend. Sorry.
If I don't see a 600 LT, heartbroken, I'm telling you.
Vlog. Good morning. God bless.
Why Guruji da Khalsa? Oh my god. Right, anyways, we're going to Milton Keynes. You lot tell them where we're going. Heads. It's gonna be a long day of recording this is, boys.
Pure tuning. Partnered up with Empire in Milton Keynes to get a little car meeting. They got some dyno tests, and hopefully Neil's gonna remap his car today.
So basically, we're gonna go stage 4+ maybe. Hybrid turbos, intercooler.
So like 20,000 brake.
Yeah, sticky nan in my resonator.
That's
Probably about it.
Bare nuns in the chat.
20,000, is that it?
That's shit, no?
How much are you pushing on?
Bro, my GTD diesel 2 litre does about
2 litre?
50,000 brake. Why you saying fuck me for?
So Marnov is the #1 trader in the UK currently. He's doing his own content right now, so he's quite confident on the
Man
camera.
of trades gold, alright.
Man of trades.
Check it out.
Yo, I can certify.
for
I
the
can
things?
certify. Yeah. If you man want to get scammed, shout him.
Bro, join my signal group.
Invest 5 bags, leave him negative.
Mine have told my mum to invest 10 bag.
Why is she negative 5 bag right now?
Nah, bro.
I'm eating nice, you know, I'll be honest with you.
Basically, we're trying to get 2 other people, yeah, who are absolute thick shits.
Look where we
To
are.
meet
You
us.
guys can't do navigations, fam.
There they are.
What's this? What?
Rotted. Yeah, mad.
You know when you just don't need to do that and you still do it.
Doing too much now. Look, there's Jay, right? Don't start doing some dumb shit.
I'm the air hose. Big V6 can smell like petrol. The weekend's here, let's take it off road. We sliding, that's fast up driving, so the weeks we driving, shit bastards lining, mapped up, we sliding, that's fast up driving, got a whole crowd
Your dream garage, 5 cars, bro.
5?
Yeah.
What's my budget? Unlimited.
Yeah, unlimited, you unlimited for that.
First one, I'm gonna have Mark 1 Rabbit Golf. With a Porsche engine in there.
Yeah.
Second one, RS6 gotta be. Third one, I'd have, oh this is hard. I'd have a Zonda if it's unlimited.
Yeah.
Why not?
And then,
Why not?
And then, you know what? I'd have a Trackhawk, you know.
Yeah,
I'd rather have a Trackhawk. And fifth one.
What about the missus? What car she getting?
Worry about that later. I need my 5 first. Last one. I'd have a GTR.
GTR?
Yeah, you have to.
R34,
You have to.
R34.
We pulled up now, pure tuning. Oh shit, yeah, it's fucking busy still.
What you saying, boys?
Saying?
What you saying?
The lineups we've seen. Are you mad?
What the fatty, bro? Your car, bro.
Best car, GLS 63S. 800 horsepower, mate.
800.
One of ours are just not ready.
Yeah, I own it, you know, it's mine. Yeah, when it's ready, I'll shout you like Nora.
Yeah, love bro. Matching, we've got a colour theme going on today.
Fat, innit?
Usually when you go to car meets, there's a few bad cars and the rest are like just normal hypos. But every car here is bad. So we're literally gonna walk down now, yeah. Obviously you got Golf R's over there, your S3s and that. But the real thing that we want to see is the dynos. That's what we're most excited for. If you've never seen a dyno before, it's mad.
I've never seen a dyno. Never seen a dyno run before. So they're setting one up right now.
When the bags for couple picks, hand things with rubber grips. 50 bands for a show, still putting bands on my dough. 30 for a brick, couple milli for a tape. Now the world's my estate. Let me separate the real from the fake. Looking like I hit a lick. Money up, that's bigger sticks. More sweets than pick a mix. We just nasty little shit. Professional, you must have seen me at the bridge.
What was that? M140 did what?
450 brake horsepower, you know.
Oh my god.
With a wastegate.
Bro.
Who puts a hood exit on a car like this, bro? I know you got peas, and it's a carbon bonnet, fam.
I know. It's mad.
We've been told it's gutted, fam.
Jesus Christ. This year, you know what?
Shout out hood exit G80, fam.
Bro.
You killed it.
Oh, huh?
Oh.
Yo, I just took a quick pic for the gram. I'm tagging him as well, bro. You smashed this one.
Call this educate him, Ryan.
Oh, this has got to
We're
be.
in school right now.
This has got to be 1,000 bike minimum, bro. Easy. Look at the size of the fucker.
Calling 1,200.
Yeah, all that.
We've got your beamer now. What we doing with it, bro? We're here.
I'm stage 3 in the.
You better
It's
do it
going,
then.
bro. It's got. I won it, yeah. Comfy 500, 600 brake.
We can get yours to that. I'm never getting back in it, bro.
What do you like think about an M140 with an M2 bumper?
What, on the M2 bumper?
Yeah. Where's the M2 bumper on there? Is that the M2 bumper on the one? Yeah, I like that. I can't lie to you. Oh shit. We got a drone out as well, fam. Give me the controller, fam. I'll show them what I got. Yeah,
Let them know.
Little stick drift.
we got the next one.
That's basically my car, isn't it? You hear it?
It's only like an M140. Alright.
You know what it is? The way my bank account's set up.
Yeah.
I can't get one of them.
Nah. Ryan's having too much fun.
Listen.
He's doing the mad thing. Am I right in saying you could have cleaned the car?
Don't like M140s.
Huh? You don't like M140s?
Why is he panning on me?
Why do you
You're mad.
First run, 455 horsepower, 790 newton meters.
mad? The whole place I have here, to be fair, is crazy, man. Like, I don't know if you can see it over here. Like, there's a McLaren there. There's literally flames on that.
How do you know 140, yeah? Man said a 5-door car, stick my kids in the back, pop in the back.
My car, bro. Which one's yours? Which one's yours? McLaren, bro.
Oi, 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 has anyone cut the plate on the B, man? Paid me, fam. You said that to you, Joker. Shut
up. Nah, G, nah. Right now they're filming the G80 with the turbo in, the one that we showed you like earlier. Alright, what's the guesses? What's the guesses? I'm gonna go nice 650 brake. How much?
735. What? Guesstimates. I'm saying 9 or above.
785, 785.
Ah, rookie.
902.
I can't lie, I might short change myself, but I'm saying 657.
The guesstimate is, I'm gonna say 950 to 1,020.
They just had some people sit in the back because the car needs that much weight in the back. Otherwise it's gonna slip.
I'm not the type to hide my
Remember, left or right of the dyno. I don't know, I think Dan's just having fun with it. He didn't even do the power run then. Spend it. 753 horsepower.
785.
785.
Well done,
Okay. Single turbo. Pump fuel.
735 watts.
753 horsepower.
Okay. That was pump fuel. That was pump fuel.
I know, listen,
You're
you're wrong on this one.
Were you not wrong? Hang on.
Were you not wrong?
Race fuel.
Were you not wrong?
That was pump fuel.
So if he's wrong, then he's
Ethanol,
wrong.
ethanol.
Yeah,
My
yeah,
man's got 9 mils.
With Tui right now. You know, bro.
We're gonna pull out here. We'll do it again.
Yeah, man, we'll get that, we'll get that. Sexy you
So here we got an M5 V10, right? They don't make these anymore like this. I kid you. Yo, the sound of these things is insane. I'm talking like a, you know, like a Lambo V10.
Yeah.
It's not a Lambo V10.
Huh?
I'm gonna get cooked in the comments for that. By the way. Carbon, even jury intakes.
pop my ear. Nasty.
Giving.
Do this thing, innit?
Innit? Yeah. You cut it off.
Hey?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What's
Just
up?
went live for the first time on TikTok. It's done alright, 129 views.
It's not bad,
30
is it?
minutes.
See, this right here, this is my kind of kettle of fish. Colour's beautiful.
Oh shit. GTI Charlie, shouts out you. Oh my god, the tank, yeah?
Yeah, can you see some
Backed up.
banks? Yes, sir. So bad this is. Yeah, man.
Solid.
It's a motor.
Motor. What about this thing though? What do you think about this one?
Leave it.
4,000 brake.
Leave it.
I wanna try and meet officially gassed. Simply because I think it will be a sick thing for the car build if we can get a cheeky shout out.
You tramp. You know what, guys? You gotta be a tramp.
Gotta be a tramp to make it in this life.
Ernie.
You have to be a tramp, my friend.
Ernie.
Stage 2 140.
Officially gas right now.
Come on.
Over the DYNO RUNS as well, man.
Bro, it's my pleasure, man. It's my pleasure. I'm meeting the boys from CarCaveUK. Come on, big up each and every time. Subscribe, follow, all of that. Big it up, man. Come on, you see what we're doing out here.